This is a Sylvan 822, 8 foot wide, 20 foot long, comes with a 60 horse Mercury 4-stroke. If you're on a smaller lake, these work great. You know, a couple 100-acre lake, if you don't need anything big, it's, you know, it's a great price point boat too. You want something in that 30,000 range, here's your boat. It's going to be a 9-person capacity. Stereo is Bluetooth. USB ports, it's got a depth gauge, it comes with a bimini top, cover, vinyl floor. Just a nice boat if it's just 2 people or can sit side by side. It's got a ski tow bar, so if you do want to pull somebody on a tube, couldn't pull anybody on skis, but tubing you'd be fine. So besides that, it's a great boat for a smaller lake, or if you just want to get started in boating. So another nice thing about Sylvan is all the storage underneath every one of the seats. So it's all plastic based. If it does rain, there's a wicking rail right here, and it'll go out. So a lot of the water won't be going inside. This fits a table right here, so you're underneath the bimini top. 4 or 5 people could be in a nice conversation area here. We do have recessed cup holders. Keeps your drinks out of the way. So another nice feature is tilt steering wheel. Seats recline. You can recline them all the way back. It's just a nice starter boat for somebody on a smaller body of water. So this one also has lighted cup holders, which are up in the helm. So another nice thing, Sylvan, almost all their models come with docking lights. So these little LED lights right here. So if you are coming in at night and you're going to want to put your boat on your dock or going to go in your slip, just flip that on. It's pretty bright for coming inside. Nice thing about Sylvan too is look how high this fencing is. There are some other manufacturers that their fencing only is about halfway. This is a full length fencing here. And it does come with a cover, so all your furniture is covered up. Here, your cover's snapped, and then there's support poles that canopy up, you know, so you can't get water pooling or anything like that. So we go in the rear. You got the ski tow bar here, like I talked about before. So if you want to pull some kids around in a tube, or pull your wife or husband around so you don't have to talk to them, I don't know, it's up to you. It does have a nice 4-step ladder. It goes down in the water quite well, and it's not like the older ladders that did not, they only folded up once, so it's pretty nice. But besides that, it's a great starter boat. So come on down to SkipperBud's, and we got a couple of these in stock, and we'll have you on the water by spring.